If you don't like boring chores but love delicious treats, then join us to make the easiest cookies ever. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need flour, sugar, butter, and egg, and some chocolate chips. Got everything? Great. Now, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Ask an adult to help you with this part. Next, mix the butter and sugar in a bowl until it's creamy. Then, crack in the egg and mix it all up. Add the flour bit by bit and stir until it becomes a dough. Don't forget the chocolate chips. The more the merrier. Scoop out little balls of dough onto a baking sheet. Leave some space between them because they'll spread out. Pop them in the oven for about 10-12 minutes. While you wait, here's a fun fact. Did you know the first cookies were actually made by accident? Once they're golden brown, let them cool. And there you have it. Delicious cookies made by you. Happy baking.